Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to survive a couple extra days with not washing my hair. I use the One Step Volumizer hair dryer, and then I also use different kinds of dry hair shampoo, and I'm going to demonstrate on how I do it. I spray the dry hair shampoo, rub it all in, and then I get the One Step Volumizer Revlon hair dryer, and then I just basically make that go into my scalp and the rest of my hair, and then of course depending on what I feel like doing that day, I'll either straighten it or curl it. So